Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and you are watching my video after a long time. I am back and in this video I am sharing for you patio fall decor ideas for 224 latest and stylish ideas for you. So guys, I hope you are doing well and best condition for health. So guys, first of all I am requesting for you, please like my video and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more latest update. Thank you so much guys. Then I start video guys. In this video I am sharing for you fall patio decor ideas for 224. It is a trending and latest decor ideas for you, unique style and unique look, different colors of combinations, different unique stylish ideas for you guys. Happy fall decor, happy fall. In this video I am sharing for you unique and stylish look, outdoor patio fall decor ideas. In this video you can see different outdoor ideas, different unique and stylish colors combination guys. You know orange color is a basic look for outdoor fall patio decor, but in this video I am sharing for you unique stylish patio decor ideas, different style and different look. uh, so guys, I hope you like and enjoy this amazing and trending ideas for fall patio decor. Its unique style and unique look, different trending ideas, different unique styling ideas guys, and other amazing patio decor ideas and other amazing home decor ideas. You can visit my channel. Thank you so much guys. Guys, as you know, November last week is the final for patio, outdoor fall patio decor. At the end of this trend, so in this video, I am sharing for you latest trending outdoor fall patio decor ideas for you, unique style and unique different look. Different sky, unique white and black colors and different dark yellow color, white colors combination. It's a good vibe for you. Orange and white combinations look like a amazing and good vibe. So guys, I hope you like and enjoy these amazing ideas fall patio decor. So at the end I am again requesting for you guys, please like my video and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more latest update. Guys, thank you so much you watch my video. Thank you so much guys for watching video. And next I am sharing for you unique and different style and another amazing idea. You can visit my channel playlist, different home decor idea too. You can visit my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching my video.